America, hear the word of the Lord. Lift up your heads, O ye gates, from the north, the south, the east, and the west of America. I come by this apostolic and prophetic mantle, and I speak over America. The altars that hold on to the destinies of men, not allowing the purposes of God to be established. In the name of Jesus Christ, we declare that gates crumble now. We speak over every state in America. In the name of Jesus, we declare that Christ is enthroned in America. Christ is enthroned in America. Christ is enthroned in America.